Hello once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very easy, very user-friendly VPN that you can use to hide your location. So you can use this when you don't want someone to know where you are located. Let's say you are somewhere in Europe and you want to appear as though you are based in the US or in Asia or in Africa, for example. Or let's say there are some websites hosted in a different country that you are unable to access from your location. And you want to pretend as though you are in that location where the website is hosted. For example, I've got this website used in the US. It's called Pandora. This website is only available in the US. So you can also come across some websites that are also available only for users in the US or different parts of the world. But then in that case, you will have to pretend as if you're in that location. So what do you do? What you can do is to download this free VPN. It is free for a short period of time. Then if you love it, you can upgrade and as you can see, it's not really that expensive. So what you can do, just go on and register and download it. I have already done that. After downloading it, you are going to get something that looks like this, right? So I'm using a MacBook. So if you are using Windows, for example, so it might appear differently. So when you have something like this, you just go on and choose a location from here. You can click there, add a new favorite, and you type in the location you want. In this case, I want to access a website that is hosted in the US. So that's why I chose the United States. That website, Pandora, is hosted in the US. And I will go on and click there in order to put it online. As you can see, this icon is going to change once I'm connected to New York, United States. So now it will appear as if I am based in the US, even though I'm not. And it will appear as if I'm on this very IP address that you are looking at now. So look at this icon. It has changed color to from black to yellow. Now I'm connected to the VPN. It now appears as if I'm based in the US. I will go back here and refresh Pandora. So it's refreshing now. Ta-da! I'm connected to Pandora. I can go on and choose something. For example, I can choose something, as you can see. So this is how you can use the VPN in order to hide your location. I hope this was helpful. If you love it, please add some comment, make subscribe and like my video. Thank you.